Hello everyone, this is Daria from Kaya Academy. Welcome to my channel and welcome to this video. So as you can see from the title, what we're gonna do today is find some Goodreads by the app Goodreads. So this is an amazing app actually for those bookworms right there watching me to find, waiting for me to sell them something. Oh, how to use this app. So let's see what does this app do. We can continue with Facebook, we can continue with Amazon, I forgot how to pronounce it. Or you can just sign up with your email. I'm going to continue with for my Facebook. So let me put my things there. And let me put my Facebook password while you guys are over here waiting. Okay, let's skip as Daria. Welcome to Goodreads. Get started. I am not a Goodreads member, so let's get started. So here, tell us how many books you want to read in 2020, and Goodreads will help you meet that goal. Average reading goal is 58. I actually want to go with 20 because I'm working, I'm going to school, and I have lost the ability to become a bookworm. I was not like that. I'm gonna put 25 because the books that I'm reading Quran, I'm reading the Bible right now, and there's another book that I'm reading. It's like I have kind of mixed them up, so I also don't like that. So let's say, but there's 26. Is it 26? No, it's 211,911,695 total books pledged. There is, I believe, 4,446,394 participants. There's 8,000. You see, there's 4 million people here, but the completed challenges is this. So it's better to put a goal that's possible. So they're going to be using our favorite genres to personalize our book recommendations. So I actually like fantasy, I like fiction, I like horror, humor, comedy, mystery, romance, non-fiction, young adult, science fiction, not really, thriller. Let's go. So fantasy, I read you guys, I read you too. Okay, American Gods, City of Bones, Twilight, it's a classic, those things. So let's go to fiction. I already read you guys. Show me something that I haven't read. Look, what I was very stupid at was I have read all those books, but I have never actually gotten a book from Stephen King, which that's what I want to do today. But before that, let's go and see some humor. Me talk pretty one day. Is everyone hanging out with me? Naked. But I have never actually seen these ones. Princess Bride. America. Why not me? I like this woman actually. So I'm gonna find that book, don't worry. The girl with the I read this I don't know how many times. I want to read it again. So congratulations, you're about to add your first book to Goodreads. Books added to your shelves are publicly visible on your Goodreads profile. When you rate books on Goodreads, they get added to your read shelf. Okay. So this is, of course, The Diary of a Young Girl. I did it. I read it. Sapiens I read it like 2 times. But after sometimes, if you give some break, you cannot go back. Like, at least that's what happened to me. Gone Girl, I don't know how many times. Hunger Games. I was in love with those books, you know? The Girl on the Train. The Woman in Cabin 10. Wow. Like, I want to see something that I haven't read, to be honest. But it's not there right now. So, okay. You rated 10, but like, okay, let me rate. I read it. The ones that, let's go up, and let's also, I'm gonna go with 4. Let me see. I would like to read this book. Shine already. Carrie. World War Z. I watched the movie how many times, but this one was a 4 for me. This one was a 4 to Life of Pi was 5, but I didn't finish it, you know? So let's say next. So we can keep reading books to increase the quality of your recommendations. So okay, I'm not gonna give this file because I was a teenager, so I don't want to give something very good. Paper Towns, I remember liking it very much. Angels and Demons didn't finish. This one was like, I was a real teenager, guys. Don't look at me with those eyes. I see you. Little Princess, I even read it in French. It was good. But I haven't read it in English. I read it in Turkish and French, but let me say the English version I'd like to read. Divergent. So okay, I mean, it's done for me right now. So we can also read, these are the readers to follow. I'm an avid reader and writer of young adult fiction. My debut novel, Sinner, futuristic reinvention. Tayari Jones. No. Don't want anything right now. Done. So, as you can see, since we are finished, we're gonna see our books, the one to read, the ones that I read, and currently reading. We don't have anything. Here we can search books by title or author. From here you can see your books, you can see your profile, you can go ham, or you can look at the best books of 2019. As you can see, we have categories. You can use these categories and see what's up. So you can also find your friends. You can see some recommendations for yourself here. I think everyone would love to use this app. Who wants to be a bookworm? So tell me, what was your favorite book of all time? Let me know in the comments. So see you guys. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching one more time, and see you guys in my next video.